Hi guys, welcome to Derinscorner. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my stage 1 baby fruit puree, and this is the first fruits I'm introducing to my son, and this is usually introduced between the ages of 4 to 6. Before we go ahead, however, kindly click on the subscribe button if you're yet to do so. You should also click on the bell sign so you get notified when I have new videos up. So for this particular recipe, I'm going to be using apples, I'm going to be using pears, and I'm going to be using plum. I prefer to make my baby fruit puree at home because I believe this is more healthy for my son, and because I know that there are no other additives that are going to be added. For the store-bought ones, that's the ones that come in sachet and the ones that come in a little jar. If you look at the back, you see that you have other additives that's used in preserving it. So that's why I prefer to make mine at home, and it's very easy to make. So let's get to it.